is inspired by Pierre Cardin's 60s collection, and my inner fear is cat and birds, so I wanted to express the feeling of fur and feathers of them. Overall, I'm really proud of my work and I expect my next journey.
So basically, through my years in FIT SUNY Korea, I learned a lot of fundamental skills and basic knowledge. In this case, because I'm using a lot of unconventional materials like PVC and chainmail, so I need to have those knowledge from these courses to make it into an actual garment. Work together late nights, and then supporting each other. It was a very memorable moment here.